Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Marketplace. To begin your selling journey, you will first need to choose a selling plan that best suits your business needs, whether it is an individual or professional account. Next, register your seller account by providing essential business information, including your bank account details and tax identification. Finally, take time to understand Amazon's selling fees, which typically include a referral fee and a per item fee, and their payment schedule. Once your account is set up, it is time to create compelling product listings. You can add new products by matching existing listings in Amazon's catalog or by creating entirely new ones if your product is unique. Remember to optimize your product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Always upload high-quality images from at least 3 different angles to showcase your items effectively and attract more buyers. Efficiently managing orders and fulfillment is crucial for customer satisfaction. Process customer orders promptly and accurately to maintain a good seller rating. You have 2 main options for fulfillment: Fulfillment by Amazon, where Amazon handles storage and shipping, or self-fulfillment, where you manage everything yourself. Regularly monitor your inventory levels to prevent stockouts and ensure your popular items are always available for purchase. To truly grow your Amazon business, consider utilizing Amazon's advertising tools, such as sponsored products, to boost your product visibility significantly. Providing excellent customer service is paramount. It helps you earn positive reviews and build customer loyalty. Finally, consistently analyze your sales data and performance reports to identify emerging trends, understand customer behavior, and discover new opportunities for expansion and increased profitability.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.